Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a photo as a wallpaper in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. The easiest way to do it is just simply go to the gallery, select photo. We have our dragon here. Here under these three dots is a hidden menu and set as wallpaper. Tap it here and we can choose lock screen, home screen, etc, etc. Let's use it as a home screen. Yes, done. And our home screen is now changed to Mr. Dragon. We can do it differently. We simply go to the settings, then wallpaper and style, change wallpapers, and here we have our photos, recent, camera, other folders. We can have it here also, but we only have one photo, so we have only one option. Let's go back to our default. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.